Hannah here with Delta Faucet. Today I want to go over some ways to help you prepare for a successful installation for a corner shower. A corner shower can be a great option for an updated look for your bathroom. Delta offers a wide variety of sizes and styles to help you create a customized look for your bathroom. You can even choose your hardware finish and style of glass. Today I'm going to walk you through a couple of things to consider before you make a purchase. A good place to start is to think through each of the components individually. There are 3 components to a Delta corner shower setup: the shower base, walls, and an enclosure or door. So let's talk about some considerations when selecting each of these components, starting with the shower base. First, it has to fit in your space. So be sure to measure your space and ensure that you're selecting a size of shower base that will work. You should also think about a shape that appeals to you. Delta offers round, square, and angled options. For your walls, you should consider whether you'd like to glue those to your drywall or if you'd like to install them directly to the studs. For the enclosure, you should consider where your plumbing is located on the wall. You'll need to be able to easily access the control from the door opening. And also, it's important to think about what direction will your shower spray once your shower head is installed. You don't want to have the door opening directly in front of the shower spray. Otherwise, it may spray out of the opening anytime you open the door to warm up the water. And once you have some of your preferences and criteria determined, make sure that your combination of products will work together. Before you purchase, check the packaging or product web pages for each of the components, the base, the walls, and the doors, to ensure that all 3 pieces are compatible with one another. Lastly, you'll need to make sure that your space is ready for installation. The floor needs to be level, walls need to be plumb and square, and you may need to install some additional studs. If your floor is uneven, you may need to apply a mortar bed to ensure that your shower base is level. Okay, I hope those are some helpful tips. Once you've purchased your components and are ready to tackle the install, check out our videos that will walk you through that process step by step. If you have questions, you can always reach out to Delta Faucet customer service. They're happy to help.